Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob the Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we got something coming in from Rockscale Design that we're about to open with my Bodacious Spyderco knife. Let's look at it. Alright, today we're opening up the Spyderco Bodacious SPY27 blade steel. Something from Rockscale. Alright, so typically they have some information in front, so I'm going to go ahead and cover that up, but we're going to look what we got here. Alright, so we have a sticker, a backspacer, a couple of scales. Let's take a look at these guys, okay? Oh, dropping everything all over the place. So if you didn't know, these are the scales right there. So I wanted to see if these were rounded like the other ones are. So hopefully they are. Alright. Let's get into this real quick though, but I'm going to get the parts out. These are their new dark aluminum blast, I guess. I thought this was different. Okay. The way I understood it, I thought this was going to be more exposed, and this was supposed to be clear. Okay, well, that's all right. We are going for their dark version here, I think. At least that's what I think it's supposed to be. But it looks very similar to the ones I've already have, doesn't it? It does. Yeah. I thought it was supposed to be at one of their different finishes. That's all right. We are going to try it out, though. I really wanted to try this out for the scales more than anything, right? So I believe these are T10s on here. Okay. Sometimes Spyderco. Boy, I got to get my stubby. It's the only one that works. Can't get enough leverage with these big guys. They sure like their Loctite, don't they? Okay, goodness. These are so tight. This is so tight. So this is linerless, at least on one side. These liners we're not going to need. And this is also an SPY27 blade steel, but we're going to use this one. So let me grab the polish one. Alrighty. There we go. So here's the original scales, original Backspacer. And not bad. I mean, these are not terrible scales. It can definitely be molded. Here's the Rockscale Design scales. Rockscale allowed me to check these out. I've always wanted to check out their Shaman ones. I mean, their Bodacious ones. I have a CME I got to put on there, so I will be doing that next at some point, and I've got to get a clip for it. But otherwise, this is a pretty cool little knife, I think. I like it. I like it. All right, so just so you can take a look real quick. Here's the scale. Backspacer. Scale with the clip. Right hand tip up only. There's the compression lock. We'll put a CME on there. Pretty centered. Might be a little to the right, but I think it's more the tip that's throwing me off. When I look at it dead nut centered, it is dead center. So I feel like it's pretty good. There's no warping going on there. There's that beautiful blade, SPY27. There we've got the back of it, Golden, Colorado. Pretty nice little knife. Let's take a look at this little guy right here with the Rockscale Design scales on there. Oops, got a little tape on there. Let's get that off. That's what I opened up the box with. All right, there we go. There's a knife right there. What do y'all think? Pretty cool, huh? I like it. There's with the back. All right, that's the Bodacious with the Rockscale Design scales. Not bad. I like it. What I like about these is the action's just really nice and smooth. Look at that. No blade play. Nice and smooth. Once I put a CME on there, it's going to be even better. Makes this really enjoyable. So, yeah, there you go. What do y'all think about that? Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you ever hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content as part of the live stream. I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you. Sincerely, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you guys. You do two amazing things. You encourage me. I do this part-time, so I appreciate that encouragement so very much. And two, by your generous support, you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could. For instance, I can do the once-a-week budget banger giveaways. I'm so grateful for that. You allow me to check out knives and be able to cover the cost of shipping, do some of these giveaways. Have the big 9K giveaway coming up. It may have already passed by the time you see this video, but man, a lot of that has to do with you guys. So thank you, channel members. You're huge, huge. So I want to do two things for you. All brand new channel members, I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. 99% of the time, that's new channel members. But anybody who's actively currently a member right now, who's never asked or received a channel sticker, email me your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker. So that's usually, like I said, mostly new channel members, but it could be someone who's a channel member all along or someone who was a member and then became a member again. Love to send you that channel sticker. Secondly, I also do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. Definitely above the budget banger. Usually try to do something 100 or more. Something nice that hopefully you would enjoy winning or giving away as a gift. So that is just for you exclusive channel members only. And yeah, channel members, you do once a month have a chance to win 2 giveaways in the evening. Theoretically, you could win 2. You're not excluded from the regular giveaway if you win the members giveaway, and if you win the regular giveaway, you're not excluded from the members giveaway. You're always eligible for the members giveaway. End of story. That's how I'm going to do it, right? So that's my way to say thank you to you guys. If any of that sounds interesting, there is a link down below in the description how to become a member. I have 3 different tiers. A budget banger kind of tier and a kind of a premium tier. You get emojis, the stickers, you get the once a year anniversary kind of thing, 2-year anniversary, all sorts of cool things, right? If that sounds interesting, please check out that link in the description. I would be honored to have you as a channel member. Sorry, my dog is barking. I'd be honored to have you as a channel member, but if I don't want you to ever feel obligated. Don't do it if you can't do it. But if you can, I would be honored to have you as a channel member. Sorry, again, my dog. Would be honored to have you as a channel member as part of this channel. Thank you so very much. I'm blown away. All right, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.